Welcome to our channel. If you need to disconnect your iPhone from Apple CarPlay or remove it from your car's system, follow these step-by-step instructions. Step 1. On your iPhone, open the Settings app. Step 2. Scroll down and tap General in the Settings menu. Step 3. Tap CarPlay to see all vehicles currently paired with your iPhone. Step 4. Find the car you want to disconnect from in the list of available vehicles. Step 5. Tap on the car's name to view its connection details. Step 6. Tap Forget this car to remove the connection between your iPhone and the vehicle. Step 7. Confirm your decision by tapping Forget this car again in the confirmation dialog. Step 8. To also remove the connection from your car's side, access your car's infotainment system settings. Step 9. Navigate to the Bluetooth or phone settings in your car's system. Step 10. Find your iPhone in the list of paired devices. Step 11. Select your iPhone and choose the option to remove, delete, or forget the device. Step 12. Confirm the removal on your car's display. Your iPhone is now completely disconnected from CarPlay and your car's system. Step 13. If you're selling or trading in your car, make sure to remove all personal data from the infotainment system by performing a factory reset through the car's settings. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.